Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks. This is going to be a video assembling this World War I tank. I'm not going to even try to pronounce the name, but it's the first tank, I believe. So that's interesting. World War I tank. Just take your clippers and, do the typical. Gonna remove all the sprues and get this all cut away so we can assemble this, glue it together. Sprue cut after sprue cut. Alright, so that's done. Yeah, so by the way, this is the first tank in Russia tank, but there was a first tank, I guess, for the Austro-Hungarian Empire. I'm going to list that one too soon. But for Russia, not even Soviet Union yet, I believe it was the Russian Empire. So, just assembling this now. There you go. So you can see how this is getting assembled together. Let's put a bunch of glue here. There you go. Kind of a simple little kit. Can even use the table as a guide. Make sure it gets glued together well. And then can put glue on the edges here. Like that. And then can put glue like that. There's the turret. So last but not least, there is some glue that we should put down here. And then this is like a mud flap of sorts. Just put that there. Then you can put your turret in there and you're done. Here's this World War I prototype tank from the Russian Empire. And I believe it was never built, but I could see how this could be a cute little design to use in your steampunk theme or World War I, of course. So it's available at miniaturetanks.com.